Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So yesterday we predicted that when I made the video, I told you with this W and all sort of the very good support will be heading upwards, and then this is there. Yeah, so from the entry point that I told you to take long, you would have gained approximately 8% maximum. As I said, I did signal on a 1 to 5 x trade, and then that is this 1000% easily, right? So yeah, so let's see what's up with Bitcoin right now as it stands. So let's uh, let's first get rid of what? Let's get rid of these old drawings, right? The wedges. We don't need it anymore. Let's get rid of these. Oops, sorry. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of the markings. Like this, yeah. Okay, so we broke from the channel, right? So this is on the smaller time frame. So let's go back into a larger time frame. So we did break from the channel. We did shoot a bar upwards. So what I think is we are gonna do this, right? Yeah, so we're gonna make a rising wedge, and then we're gonna retrace a bit, maybe to 30,000 ish, and then continue going upwards. I'm not sure about this, but then we'll have to see the conditions when we reach at probably towards 30,000 and move upwards, right? So anyway, what I'm going to tell you is the momentum and all sorts of indications on Bitcoin, they're sort of bullish, right? So most likely we will be seeing 33,000 during the weekend, but then let's see if there are any indications for a sort of retracement to 30,000 where some others could pick up something, yeah? So let's turn on our indicators. Presently, as you see, we are trading below all sort of 20, 50 and 200 day moving averages. So let's get rid of that. Sorry. Yeah, so and then if you look at the RSI is quite neutral. I mean, it has not passed the mid levels on the forward chart. There are no signals on the Bollinger Band strategy. The Fisher has given us I mean, it's above the buy zone, but then it's sort of neutral on the higher time frames. So let's get into 1 hour time frame and see what's up with this. Yeah. So you do see the Fisher was on the oversold position when Bitcoin was at 30, yeah, close to 30,000, 20,800, and then 30,800. So I think this might really swing back up to the next level where it is 31,000, and then I don't know if it'll swing back and forth, but then I definitely know it might retrace, right? Might retrace, not a long retracement, but somewhere close to 30,000, and then bam upwards, right? So let's get into immediate time frame and see what's up. Yeah, I think the retracement is already taking place. The Bollinger Band strategy is going to enter the resistance zone. The RSI is heading downwards. What else do we see here? Uh, yeah, so that's that. So let's also take a quick look into DOM. So yeah, I mean yesterday I drew this saying that from this wedge we'll be dropping, and then this is where we dropped. So we don't need this anymore. I'm gonna remove the drawings. So let's see what's up with this, right? I'm gonna draw what do you call a horizontal line. So let's drop this over here. Let's say let's get this as the I mean, this is not any sorts of a good support level, so I'm just gonna drop it here since there are some sort of bars. I'm just gonna mark this level. So I'm gonna draw a what do you call sorry, I'm gonna draw a trend line. So let's get these ones over here. So yeah, that's that. So we did have a clear rejection after reaching this area. So let's also get another trend line from this area. So yeah, these two, it marks that point. So yeah, we did have a drop. So I think this might be I mean, there is no other bars to candles to show resistance. So I think this is the next strong resistance area, right? So I think the support level would be 1330 and the 1276. So let's move into our indicators and let's see what's happening over here, right? So let's go into the forwards first. So if you look at the forwards, we do have a what you call a falling wedge. Falling wedge is a sort of bullish pattern. So what's going to happen? we might, where is the arrow, guys? Okay, forget that. Let's get the brush. We might actually do this, which might cause our BTC to drop to 30,000 again, right? So if you look at the indicators, none, none, none. But the RSI is on a buy side, right? So let's go into a 1 hour chart. Yeah, so here you could see it clearly. Uh, we are above the EMA 200. We are trying to break the 50-day moving average. So I think since most likely we might touch a little bit more low, and then we might start breaking it during the next few hours, which might cause BTC a slight bleed, right? Which is another buying opportunity. Let's go into the 15 minutes immediate time frame right now. Yeah, you do see right now we are sort of getting all sorts of buying signals. We are going above from the wedge. We do have a what you call a double top. I mean, it's not a clear double top, but then whatsoever. If you look through this way, we do have a small sort of a double bottom. Yeah, there you go, a double bottom. And then if you like connect it this way, right? There goes another breakout on that. So that's the immediate time frame. So most likely we might have a drop on Bitcoin during the next few hours. I wish it drops to 30,000, but then let's see if we could pick it up. I'm not gonna drop order. I'm just gonna hold my previous order, which is already at 1,000%. So I'm just gonna keep an eye, right? If Bitcoin comes anything below 30,000, I'm just gonna get another long on it, a fresh new start, right? So that's gonna be the prediction for now. So let's make a drawing. So I think, yeah, I think this is it. If you have to drop, you're gonna drop to somewhere to 30,000 and then retrace a bit upwards, and then we'll have to see the conditions over here, right? So for now, Bitcoin is not gonna give us a slight heavy movement, but then this is it. See you guys on the next video. Thank you very much for watching.